Optional in ID3 and ID4, and standard in ID5, is the Volkswagen Augmented Reality head-up display. It projects important information directly into the field of view of the windscreen. You can see the speed limit, your current speed, and all your active driver assist systems. You also get all your navigation information in the windscreen, exactly where you need to drive or turn off, pioneering navigation precisely where you need it. All this means you arrive at your destination more relaxed without taking your eyes off the road. You can select up to 4 different types of information for the AR head-up display to show, from speed only, all the way to speed, navigation, assist systems, and traffic sign recognition. You can turn the AR head-up display off and on, change the position of the display as it appears on your windscreen, and even select a different colour for snowy conditions. Your windscreen is the biggest display in your vehicle, so why not use it?